Hey guys, today I'm in the cruisy coastal town of Blairgowrie, which is about an hour and a half out of Melbourne. Now, this is an epic beach house I'm going to show you today with all the bells and whistles, so much so that you don't even have to lift a finger when you're on holiday. You'll see what I mean when we get inside. Let's go. Alright. Hello, beach home of my dreams. Very light and bright and calm in here. A really good sized living room as well. I really like this. Beautiful exposed clinker brick. I guess as well, this could become a bedroom if you wanted to sleep more people. It looks out onto that incredible pool. Bedroom number one, really good sized bed, lots of storage, and then looks out onto that garden. Another bedroom, oh, this time two beds. These are all really, really good sized rooms. Again, out onto the garden, you've got the curtains and you've got plenty of that storage in every single room. So it's very practical. You can fit a lot of people and a lot of things. Oh my gosh, all right, bunk beds for the chillin'. Incredible, you can fit so many people in this home. Lots of that amazing storage with that really cool vertical paneling detail. Brings in a little bit of a coastal vibe. Oh, okay, hello sexy bathroom. Open shower, no glass, that's good. Really nice and open. Beautiful frosted window. Yeah, very simple, minimal, elegant. I like it. Powder room, again, very minimal, classic, chic. I sense master bedroom time. This is pretty impressive. Incredible size. It looks out onto the pool, and this is very smart. This black timber divider leading you onto, hello, covered space and more storage. And let's open the curtains, shall we? I love that. That is luxury at its finest right there. This is a really impressive size, an incredible backlit mirror, and you've got separate toilet and shower. Again, all open, no glass, just that frosted window detailing. Beautiful, really smart, really simple. Shall we go upstairs? Here we go. Great pop of colour with that artwork. And oh my. This is really, really impressive. This is a huge living space. It's got what looks like 6-seater couches, but there's 2 of them. And probably the biggest rug I have ever seen. I don't know quite how big that is, but it is huge. I love the circular black coffee table as well. Creates a nice hub. So you've got your fire over here, and you're looking out onto that spectacular view of the bay. This is phenomenal, this black ripple stone countertop. Plus, this is pretty much its own dining table as well. You could fit so many people up here. Eat your breakfast, eat your lunch, eat your dinner. Who knew PowerPoints could be so sexy? Very moody, very black. I love it. Oh, okay, this is a very cool cupboard. Let's make ourselves a coffee. An 11 or a 5. Lord knows I need an 11. All right, coffee up. Really good sized cupboard here. I like that you can hide away your toaster or your electronics. Out of sight, out of mind. You've got dual oven. I guess you would need 2 ovens if you're going to be entertaining for this many people. And really good storage everywhere you turn. Look at the size of that cutlery drawer. There's a massive steel door leading from your kitchen to your outdoor kitchen. Barbecue area. You've got an amazing living space outside, another dining table, and Another remote. I told you it had all the bells and whistles. Very smart too, very practical. I mean, we're in Victoria, so you can't guarantee sunshine every single day. And then another remote for our pool cover. Shall we open it up? Let's go take a look at this pool. Clever perforated steel detail. I like the way you can get to the pool without having to go through the house. That's pretty smart. Also very practical. See you on the other side. She scores! That's enough exercise for today. Let's go back upstairs. I'm gonna go grab myself a drink. I'll meet you on the couch. This is a seriously grown-up house because I pretty much feel like a kid as soon as I walk in here because I'm so excited by all the things that I can actually do. I mean, there's kind of remote controls for everything and I love it. It's incredibly indulgent and luxurious, but at the same time, it's also incredibly functional as well. If I was to describe it, I would call it just like this sophisticated dandy. I mean, it's very designer, it's very minimal, it's got a nice Scandi feel, and actually the owners spent some time living in Copenhagen, so that Scandinavian feel really came across in those interiors. It's very beautifully minimal. They've just focused on really great materials. Those incredible timber floorboards throughout. They're a lovely sort of whitewashed timber flooring. They've got a beautiful warmth to them, but they're also quite light as well. Again, very Scandinavian. And then black. There is a lot of black in this home and it has been so beautifully done because you don't walk in and kind of feel like you're in this really closed off space. It's incredibly light and open, but the black has been used in key areas and it's been really smart. That black kitchen, the bench tops, the cabinetry, just everything is black and it's just so sexy and so well done and just also very practical. Everything's hidden, everything has a place, but there is storage for everything. So you can tell that it's actually built to be used because this is an entertainer's space. 2 ovens, 2 kitchens, inside and outside, 2 living spaces, 2 lights behind my head. There's a lot of 2s of everything. The brief for the architect when he designed this home was to make a very low maintenance home because this is a beach house, so the owners wanted to make sure that they could just come down and relax straight away. They didn't want to have to worry about maintaining anything, cleaning anything up, so everything has been really skewed towards that. The way they've done that, first of all, notice the bathrooms. There's no glass or anything that needs to be cleaned. Everything's quite open and spacious, so if it's used by guests, if it's used by the family, there's not really a hell of a lot to clean, which is awesome. The exterior, obviously with all of that black cladding and aluminium, it's not going to deteriorate over time and there's minimal painting or cleaning that needs to be done. The other thing that the design centered around was obviously the view. I mean, it's got an incredible panoramic view of the bay. It's pretty spectacular and this whole house really celebrates that. On the upper level, you get to see through to the coast and on the downstairs level, you get to see through to the pool. So you're always looking at water, which to be honest, I always find incredibly calming when you're surrounded by water. That's why everybody needs to move to the coast because let's just face it, you're less stressed down there. There's remote control curtains, there's remote control pool cover, there's remote control ceilings. I mean, it's incredibly indulgent. I could just be sitting here on the couch enjoying a nice glass of Chardonnay and the sun might happen to annoyingly hit me in the eye. I don't have to move. I just grab my remote control and shut those curtains. I mean, it honestly doesn't get much better than that. The size, like I said, when you walk into that living space, it is incredibly huge. I mean, this rug is like the biggest rug I have ever seen. Huge couches. You can seat so many people here. It's ridiculous. And not just people, but everybody can sit incredibly comfortably. There are so many places to sit and chill. It really is just a huge area. Even the hallways, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, everything is just incredibly generous. This is not just a humble old beach shack. This is a modern city slickers getaway. It's pretty impressive. It's someone that loves to entertain. And basically, it's all about just having fun and being indulgent. Hey guys, guys, thanks for watching this episode of Let Us In. I now have to sadly hand back the keys and get out of here. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel because we've got way more home tours coming. See you later.
You need a book of synonyms.
You need a book of shut the f up.
You need a book of take the direction.
You need a book of you better quit while you're ahead.
You need a book of